Hi, I'm Heng. Okay, I'm the owner of this house with my wife Emily. We know Rekaton through Facebook, Instagram. I decided to make my kitchen new one all over again because my kitchen always had a leaking problem. And then because previously my kitchen is very small, my cabinet make the walkway very small and then cannot walk through by two people. But when the kitchen is ready, okay, I feel that the kitchen's already been look like bigger and brighter. During this 2 months renovation period, okay, Rekaton have appointed EPMC site supervisor to monitor the work by the workers from hacking, demolitions, wet work, tiling, M&E work, carpenter, cabinets work, everything he monitor for us. We also have a WhatsApp group, everyone is there. So if any problems, we discuss over there and then they will find a solution immediately. EPMC, okay, they are very responsible, patient, professional. What they promise, they honor all. They still all the way on the public holiday, they come to my house to solve the problem. I'm very happy that I get a very responsible team to do renovations for me. Then I want to thank you all of members in the team. So thank you very much. Thank you.